Hi guys, the next log that I will attempt to open is one of the logs from Milan, from Lockpicking Bulgaria. So it's a metal log, it's a Bulgarian brand, dimple log. That's the key, and that's the keyway over here. He said that it's really a challenging pick, and I have to believe him. I'm not sure if I opened it but no, probably I didn't open it until now. But let's try and give it a go. Maybe I'll be successful. Let's have a look then. So that was a pin number 1 that was set. Pin number 3 gave me a small click before that. There we go, another one. That was pin number 5, I take it. That was pin number 2, and it gave me a small rotation on the core. And here we go. Open. So, okay. Let's try and get it. I didn't think I would get it on first try. I'm pretty sure somebody from Metal is watching me and is screaming on top of his lungs, "That's not how you do it, you idiot!" Or something of that sort, I guess. C-clip. Okay. Well, I think I locked it back. Oh no, I actually didn't. Great. So first of all, let's remove the inner one. Second, let's have a look where are... So the pins are on top. Yeah, that should be fine actually. Cool. So these are the two passive pins on top. And the second one will come out. Okay. So all the 6 pins of the lock are inside. There's this anti-snap cylinder here. Okay, maybe I can help myself a little bit with the key. Start from the crap. Okay, that's pin number 2. It's pin number 6. Number 5. Number 4. Number 3. Oops. Let's say that's number 3, at least for now. I'll pin it back up and we'll see. Come on, pin number 1 out. Okay, let's use the pick and I'll take it out. Okay, so that's the inside. There's nothing on the inside, no threading that I can see, only the anti-snap line that goes all the way and the two chambers where there are these additional security passive pins. You don't need to do anything with them, just don't press them too hard, otherwise the lock will return in its original position. Okay, so these are the key pins, nothing special about them, they're only standard pins. Let's see what's on the inside. This is number 1, it's standard. This is number 2, it's a standard. That's number 3, it's a standard again. 4 is a standard. Well, I believe that maybe all of them will be standard. 5 is a standard. And number 6, yep, a standard. Okay guys, so these are the pins. Whew, thank God that Adrian actually put these side walls on the pinning tray. They are really useful because now the pins will not fly out. So these are the 6 pins, including the 2 anti-bump pins, the passive pins. So that's the lock that I got from Milan, the metal, or rather the metal, 2 times 6J, I don't know what's this, maybe it's the model. So guys, thanks for watching and keep it ligan. Milan, thank you very much, appreciate it.